Here's how to enable Bluetooth on any smart TV. Bluetooth is already enabled on most smart TVs, so you don't need to turn it on manually. You simply need to open the Bluetooth settings and pair your device. Start by pressing the home button on your TV remote, then open Settings. From there, go to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, or look for Bluetooth, Remotes and Accessories, or Connected Devices, depending on your TV model. Next, select Other Bluetooth Devices, or Add Bluetooth Device. Your TV will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now, put your Bluetooth device, such as headphones, earbuds, a speaker, or a soundbar, into pairing mode. Once it's discoverable, it should appear in the list of available devices on your TV. Select your device from the list and wait a few seconds for the pairing process to complete. After it's connected, your TV audio will automatically play through the Bluetooth device. If your device doesn't appear, make sure it's in pairing mode, move it closer to the TV, and try searching again. You can also remove previously paired devices if you've reached the connection limit. That's all for this video. Thanks.